welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So it's gonna be a quick hair tutorial for this front lace wig that I got from Manhoter. It's an ombre highlight lace front wig, 13x4, 24 inches, 180% density, and the color is 427. This is the bag that it came in. These are the items that it actually came with, and this is the hair. See, it has like a curly wavy pattern, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and there's 1 on top as well. Okay, so I'm just cleaning my hairline with rubbing alcohol. Now I'm going to use my spray. That's the Ebin Wonder Lace spray. I did 2 layers of that and used the hair dryer in between each layer. And now I'm going to use my glue, my Ghostbond glue. And same thing, I did 2 layers of that and use the hair dryer between each layer. I'm going to come out and spread it out first, so I'll just put it around the hairline and then spread it out and then use the hair dryer. And now I'm just putting on my wig. Now I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue Free spray, and I'm just going to spray that around the hairline. And then I'm just going to tie on my band just for 10 to 12 minutes. And then I'm going to use my hair stick. I'll put all the details in the description box. Now I'm just using my hot comb. Just make it a little flatter. Now I'm going to use my African Pride Curl Mousse. I'm just going to put that all through my hair. And now I'm just cutting my baby hairs. And I'm going to use some more of that mousse just to come out and brush them, brush them into place. I'm spraying some more of my spray. And I use the melting band again for another 10 to 12 minutes. And then I'm just going to use my powder. Use my face powder. And I'm just putting it around the hairline. And that's how it came out, y'all. So I'm just showing how it looks around hairline on the sides and everything. Okay, y'all have reached the end of the video, this hair tutorial. I hope that you all liked it. I really like this hair. I'm really feeling myself, y'all. It's definitely a different color for me, so I'm glad that I tried it out. All the details of this hair will be listed down below, as well as everything that I use and all my social media handles. I am trying to grow my channel and get to at least 2,000 subscribers this year, so please subscribe, comment, like, share, all that good stuff. Tell everybody that you know. So like I said, y'all, I like this hair. I really love it. And I'm gonna be wearing it for a while, so all right, I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching, y'all. Bye.